Aston's friends here again. On this journey with Bigo. We went through playing Mario Kart together. My OnlyPans cooking lives. OnlyPans. We explored food together. We explored recipes together. We made biscuits and gravy. I did it this morning. I was on live actually, so I didn't manage to take a video of it. This was like from the can that Russ gave me. We went on holiday together. Lolo Jeff!
Oh.
Ay, ibigay ko sa iyo yung receipt.
Family ka. Bakit na sila dahil pa? Ano, dalawa ka lang. Dalawa sila nagkitakan.
Si Gemma ilan? Madama na yan. Fernando yun at siya si Gemma. Okay.
We went to explore places together. We've done chores together. Don't forget the dishwashing live, the all-time favorite. Most wanted. In demand. Dishwashing live. We hang out a lot together. We walked to work together. Went on a lot of work breaks together. Did a lot of karaoke.
I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me.
Oh, kayo naman nung next. Lahat?
Lahat.
rockin'. One time to share again. Together again. Ooh, makes me wanna dance. Together again. Ooh, say it loud and proud. All my love for you, always been a true angel to me. Now I'm up. I can wait for you to wrap your wings around me, baby. Around me, baby. Wrap them around me, baby. Sometimes I hear you whispering, no one thing, no worries will you ever see. Now, baby, I'm so happy for my baby. Dream about us together again. I know we'll just do one again, baby. I know we'll be together again, 'cause everywhere I go, every smile I see, I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me. Woo. I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live. I've got all my love to give, and I survive. I will survive. Hey, hey.
Wala ka nagsasayaon ba? Woo!
Send them my way.
Oh, them? Send them your way na.
Always get to hide, not to fall apart. Just trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry. Oh, man, when you see me, somebody new. I'm not the chain of little girl who's still in love with you. And so you felt like driving in and just expect me to be free. But now I'm saving all my loving for someone who's loving me. Come on now, bro. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to make me goodbye? You think I'd crumble? You think I'd lay down and die? Oh no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live. I've got all my love to give, and I survive. I will survive. Oh, oh. Go now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to bring you goodbye? You think I'd crumble? You think I'd lay down and die? Oh no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'd stay alive. I've got all my Mamma Mia, here I go again.
Here I go again.
Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? Mama.
Sinani pala. I miss everybody. Everybody I used to interact with on Bigo. I hope that I catch you again someday. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'm a ninja without a name.